Hey everybody, Dominic with Forest Park Honda here. Going to be showing you a new addition to our pre-owned inventory. This is a Honda 20 horsepower outboard engine with the 15-inch short shaft. It is a 4-stroke motor and is in very good shape. As you'll see, this motor does have the tiller handle controls with forward and reverse control as well. It is a pull start model. As you can see, it is in the Honda Aquamarine Silver. This unit does have the factory warranty still available to it. It does expire July 15th of 2023. And it's kind of hard to see, but there is some light scratches on the surface. But overall, the unit is in fantastic condition. Of course, you do have your lift handle there as well. And shortly we will have it in our barrel to run it and show you everything works. In terms of under the lid, it is very clean. So access to your engine oil dipstick and engine oil fill are very easy to get to, as well as general maintenance and storage. And here we'll show you it running. As you can see, motor starts up nice and quiet. And of course, you do have a nice oil level indicator as well. And then in terms of controls, of course, putting it forward here. Neutral. Then you do have reverse. And then neutral again. You do have a nice throttle lock as well. So if you're hitting cruising speed and you don't quite want to keep holding onto the throttle to maintain speed, you can simply turn this twist lock. It'll lock your speed in place. Of course, motor is nice and responsive. And in terms of shutting the unit off, of course, you can pull on your emergency lanyard or push to shut off. Of course, if you have any particular questions on this unit, please give us a call at Forest Park Honda, Erie, Pennsylvania. Our phone number is 814-833-3051, extension 170. My name's Dominic. Give us a call on this one.